I need my hat. Well, good morning, ladies and gents. I am picking up stuff outside. Also, it's not morning. It's like the sun's about to go down, or the sun is down. But I have stuff out here that I need to put inside before it snows or rains or whatever it does when it weathers. So that's what I'm doing right now. I really don't want to. These tools, they have to go inside the shed. All the way back there. All this stuff was stuff I was working on with the Corvette. Some interior stuff, tools and whatnot. So I need to organize the tools. All these, they need to go into their places. And that's what I'm working on now. I have everything laid out. I have interior parts here. This is all interior that needs to be put back in, cleaned, and etc. This is a wheel lock kit. It has 4 lug nuts and a key. This is unknown engine bay. This is intake bracket, but I have no idea how it came off because I didn't do that part. I have a weird rod that goes on the front left. I didn't take this off either. I have no idea where it goes. I've got another unknown part that was just in the engine compartment. I have a right well hose mount, just 2 screws for that. Not a clue. So I didn't take that off either. Plug wire brackets. I've got the screws in here for these. I'm going to put those on. I have this relay I need to replace. This is the relay for the interior lights. I have the, I guess, valve cover, engine cover, right here, and the stud that goes to it goes right in here. And the other one is on already, so I just have to put that on. I ran out of daylight yesterday when I was trying to do it. And then right here I have the covers for the wheel wells, I guess you would call it. It goes in between the wheel and the engine compartment, like that, I think. And then the screws for that. So when I find some time, probably next weekend when I'm doing the wheel bearing, I'm going to end up doing this, maybe the plug wire brackets, and that, if I find time. I'm going to get the relay replaced tomorrow, I think, and then all this other stuff, I'm going to have to call the person that actually took this apart, or look it up online and find out where these parts go, because I have no idea. Intake bracket, like there's weird stuff in here. I have not a clue where any of it goes. All kinds of different nuts and bolts. And then this weird bracket, I wasn't able to find anywhere where that went, so maybe I just won't put it back on. As for the interior, I think this box is going to wait to put the interior back together because I'm going to wait for the carpet kit. So I'm going to replace all the carpet in the whole car. And before I do that, I have fiberglass that I need to replace. On the passenger side footwell, somebody tried jacking the car up, and right at the corner there's obviously a spot where the jack went through and broke the fiberglass, so I'm going to get somebody to repair that first. Then we can start on all the other stuff, but I think the first things first for everything is going to be the weather stripping, because we're going to get some rain in the spring. I definitely want all that weather stripping done before it starts raining, and I would prefer to do it right now because it has been snowing a little bit. But unfortunately I haven't been able to order it. It's very expensive. The kit that I found is like $700. You could probably get a cheaper kit. That's just the first one that I popped up. It had all 7 pieces and I saved it for later. But I gotta go start dinner. So I'm gonna leave all this out. I'm gonna throw all this stuff in a box, but I gotta go get dinner made and eaten, and then I can come back here and do a little more picking up. Well, that's going to be it for today. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing. I'll talk to you tomorrow.